Hey guys, it's Fossilization, and welcome back to part 2 of trading for a green party hat. And I'm joined by Adorama. Would you like to say hello?
Hello, I'm also live streaming. Oh, I got another jag. I need items rip. Let's see, what do you have? Let's see here. I gotta see, look. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry, Kiki Dog Crazy, but you do need items. Kiki Dog Crazy, Kiki Dog 9 said that Kiki Dog Crazy copied her, but I'm like...
No, she's just salty. Did you do that rant video yet?
I'm working on editing it, and I just got kicked out of my jags.
Oof.
How did I get kicked out of my jags? Why?
I have no idea.
Why?
Bro.
No. I don't have a lot of rares. Lucky. I'm not really that lucky, LPS.
Yeah, you are.
No. Oh my god, like the only thing I can record is... Oh my god. I need a new computer. Crappy. You know what? Have this, Kiki Dog Crazy. Have these. Now actually send this time and like not kick me out of my jags. Thanks. Oh, I got an...
Wait, did Kiki Dog friend you back?
Yeah, I'm back. Ooh, and if you have a black lung, I don't. Sorry.
Did she friend you back?
Kiki Dog...
Yeah.
Kiki Dog 9?
Yeah.
No, I'm friends with Kiki Dog Crazy.
Oh, are they friends? They know each other?
They do, and they got into a fight, and I don't think they're buddies anymore, so...
I can't believe she butted me just because I gave you a room headdress.
I know, it's like... Oh my god. Is she on? Hold on, I want to see this.
Oh my god.
Is she on? Nope. She has a black lung, though.
Oh my gosh, hurry up! This trade is taking forever.
I can be Cat Mew Mew. Aw, I'm glad. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ultimate Masterpiece. Oh, thank you for the art. I love masterpieces. If anyone wants to give me, like, fan art or anything, I'll gladly take it because I want to put up everyone's art. I want to put up everyone's art.
That's 48.
Oh, are you just, like, getting done?
No, I have 2 more den betas to give him.
I'm
And
dead. You're my dad. Boogie woogie woogie.
2 traffic cones. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, Cheestar.
I want to see this. Let's see this masterpiece. Never give up no matter how hard life gets. I like that, Speedy.
I just got gifted a gecko plushie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I have a bay too.
Well, my bay was given to me by you, so...
Yeah. And now I got a bay from Crazy Horse. Can I please type?
Hello, Kaz.
Kaz who?
Kaz. Kaz?
Why you do this? No.
Oh my god, this stream is being a piece of baloney.
How I feel about my streams all the time.
No, like, this sucks. Yours are better health than mine.
Oh my gosh. That reminds me, I have to do a Roblox live stream this week.
Ooh, let's do that tonight.
Okay. Seems legit.
And plus, at least I can stay up tonight. What about you?
Same.
Alright, then we can just stay up playing video games.
I know, but I'm warning you, I'm sleeping really late tomorrow because I'm lazy.
By the way, Cheetah 113, black short and black horn, but a buddy gave mine gave it back. Oh, I'm so sorry, Kiki Dog Crazy. Is it okay if I just call you Kiki? Because that's probably easiest. Or Dog. I'll probably call you Doggo. Congrats on anything. Thanks! I couldn't have done it without my good buddy Fossil. Because she got it for me.
Thank you. That's so sweet. I also got gifted a speed horse. Gifted me a oh, so cute, so sweet.
How many people are here?
Wait, we said 50 den betas.
Anyone want to trade? I'll try to trade you. I don't have much, but I can try to trade.
Alright, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna end this video here. Bye! You wanna say bye?
Anymore, do I? Okay.